Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form element. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe because we are very close to 100 subscribers. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, why do we even need a form? Why can't we just have it normally? Well, the reason we have forms in HTML is because it makes it easier to submit the data that you're submitting with the form. It makes it easier to store that data and send it to a storage place. And the way we do this is, let's just create an H1. So, and I'll call this title. So the way we do this is we do less than sign form, and then we do action equals, and over here is the URL where your form leads to. So, I don't have anything set up for the data to actually go somewhere. You need to do a little more stuff, but in this video, it's just explaining how form works. So action equals quotations, and in here, you're going to put where your form leads to. So I'm just going to make something up. My form leads here, and this is a link. So we close this, and in here, we put in our input. So we do less than sign input, type equals text, then we'll close it, and that's all we need. So let's run through this, and we'll go over what everything is. So here's the H1 that doesn't really contribute to this. I just like putting them there. So this is the form, and the action is action equals, and we put in the URL where the data is supposed to go to, and over here is the thing that we are collecting the data from, and we're sending it to this URL, and this is just the closing tab. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not going to open up a Chrome tab and run this because, I don't really have anything set up yet. So yeah, it would be pretty pointless. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.